Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your smartphone to your Hyundai Grand i10's Bluetooth system. It's a quick and easy process, and by the end of this video, your phone will be fully connected to your car. Let's get started, step by step. 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. The first thing you need to do is turn on Bluetooth on your phone. This will allow your Hyundai i10 to find your device and begin the connection process. Step 2. Press the phone button on your car's media screen. Next, on your car's media screen, press the phone button until the Bluetooth option appears. Step 3. Confirm the Bluetooth pairing message. Now, a message will show up on the media screen asking if you want to begin the pairing process. Tap OK to continue. Step 4. Enter the pairing code. After that, a code will appear on both your car's screen and your phone. Enter the code from the media screen into your phone and confirm the pairing. Step 5. Allow contact and favorites sync. Now, you will see a pop-up asking if you want to allow contacts and favorites to sync. Tap Allow to enable these features. And that's it. Now your car's name should appear on your phone as connected, and your phone's name will also show up in your car's media screen. Just press OK and you're ready to go. Additional notes and observations. Here are a few things to keep in mind while pairing. If your phone doesn't appear on the screen, try refreshing the list or making sure your Bluetooth is connected. Some phones might ask you for permission to share your contacts and messages. Make sure to allow this if you want to use voice calling. You can pair multiple phones, but only one can be connected for calls and media at a time. If you're having trouble connection, try deleting the device from the list and pair it again from the scratch. You successfully connected your smartphone to your Hyundai Grand i10's Bluetooth system. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this.